Welcome. If you're looking to remove a group admin on Telegram with the latest 2025 update, you're in the right place. Whether you're managing a small community or a large group, keeping your admin list up to date is essential for smooth group management. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you remove an admin from your Telegram group quickly and easily. First, open your Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in with the account that has the necessary admin or owner rights to make changes in the group. Next, scroll through your chat list and tap on the group where you want to remove an admin. Once you're inside the group chat, look at the top of the screen and tap on the group's name. This will open the group's profile page, where you can see details about the group and its members. On this page, find and tap the Edit button, usually represented by a pencil or pen icon. After entering the edit mode, look for the section labeled Administrators. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of all current admins in your group. Find the admin you want to remove. Next to their name, you'll notice 3 dots or a similar menu icon. Tap on these 3 dots to open more options. From the menu that appears, select Dismiss Admin. Telegram will ask you to confirm your choice. Tap Dismiss Admin again to finalize the removal. The selected person will immediately lose their admin privileges and revert to a regular group member. That's all it takes. You've now successfully removed an admin from your Telegram group. This process ensures you have full control over who manages your community and helps maintain a safe, organized environment for everyone. If you ever need to add or remove admins again, just follow these same steps. Thanks for following along. For more tips on managing your Telegram groups, stay tuned and keep your community thriving.